I just wanted my candle, my ritual candle, to just smell and give me a better aroma, and for me to just feel that sense of worth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so lovely to have you. I'm super excited. I love the topic today. I just can't wait to start sharing it with you. But before I do, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Carina. I'm the face behind this brand, and I manage this vlog, and I also do have a blog, so do check it out. I have social media. Follow me on social media so we can interact more. I share content every day just to help millennials like me who have professional jobs in very busy cities across the world. In my case, I live in London, helping them navigate life. Also to those millennials who also run businesses on the side, so having a full-time job is not enough for us, of course not, in our life. We always have to give ourselves a bit more struggle, a bit more challenge, and so we decide to have 1 or 2 or 3 side hustles, which obviously sometimes can take a toll on us. And so I'm here to share my journey of this and also help you along the way navigate life stress-free, doing the things that you really love to do. So without further ado, I'm gonna go in and share with you today one of my very essential tools that keep me going, and they are diffusers, candles, and essential oil. How they have helped give me a more fruitful life, and have also helped me in terms of wellness, giving me a more balanced life. So today I want to share with you how diffusers, essential oil, and candles have helped my life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is how beneficial is essential oil, diffusers, and candle. Before I go into the benefits of them, as you know, and sometimes people ask, are they even helpful, or are they just things that we perhaps aesthetic that we put in our houses and do not actually have any health benefit? I'm here to tell you that they do have health benefits, which we'll be discussing later on. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you a story about my life, just taking you back a couple of years. My family live in the UAE, they live in Dubai. My dad was the first person that introduced me to diffusers, actually. And well, candles I've always known, but he was a massive ritual fan, so he loves rituals, and he used to go to rituals almost every week to buy diffusers, candles, you know, things for bath. My dad loves self-care, he loves wellness. I think I got it from him. Having this passion for wellness definitely came from my dad, because he's someone, he loves really wonderful aromas, and he just loves the house smelling so wonderfully, to a point that even our kitchen had loads of ritual products in it, and when people would visit, they just thought, wow, you guys are a ritual shop, basically, because everything seemed to come from rituals. So it was at this stage that I found things, diffusers, I found the benefits of candles, scented candles, and what they can do to your home. So I think that was where my love for diffusers and essential oils and candles came from. And so as I started working in the UK and earning money, I used to splash on these things. Like, once I get paid, I remember when the ritual shop first opened in Newborn Street, I was one of the first people that went there to buy the products, because somehow also it gave me that nostalgic feeling. And so when I went in and I bought my ritual products and I came back home, I lit my candle, it just brought this sense of calm and peace. Who wouldn't love that? So you know how you spend your busy days in the office navigating a lot of stress, dealing with people on the trains. Thank goodness now we don't have to take the trains as much, but before I have to get on the train with so many people, and a lot of times it's super stressful. Depending on where you live as well, it can take quite a long time to get home, and you have to deal with all of that stress, and by the time you got home, you're so tired, like this for me. And I just wanted my candle, my ritual candle, to just smell and give me a better aroma, and for me to just feel that sense of worth, you know. I'm not that superficial. I'm not saying that ritual gives me a sense of worth in that sense, but I'm sure all my candle lovers and people who love scent would understand what I mean, that there is something that comes from having those scented candles that are really good, and they enrich you, enrich your soul, and you can have a more peaceful sleep at night and ready to take on the next day and with your energy back, and they do restore you as well. So guys, so over time I became more sustainable. I just became more interested in organic products. Again, I think my body was forcing me to go into that, and I've shared a video on this, on my journey into organic products, especially for my hair, transitioning my hair to natural, and the journey along the way. And I suffered dry skin as well, and also what I did for that. And if you do check out, the video will pop up for you to see that particular video, and you can watch it and see what I did in the process. So as I carried on in life, I just became a lot more sustainable in my lifestyle, and I wanted to then not only buy a candle, but buy a candle that is organic, buy a candle that has natural scents, like buy a candle that I'm not harming the environment, for example. And then that got me into essential oils, and I became more focused on essential oils, and my diffusers at home also became more organic products. I became quite an organic woman, if I may say, not in that sense, but you know what I mean. I just became a lot more conscious of what I was buying, a lot more sustainable, and wanting to remain that way and stay eco-friendly. And so that meant I had to start looking for products or companies that had the same lifestyle as I was looking to pursue. So around this time, I just became more interested in shopping local, looking for companies or shops or farms that not only are they selling products but also shared the same vision and ethos of sustainability as I did. As time progressed, and it was quite essential for me to ensure that everything that was in the house was organic and natural as much as possible, and also that spurred on my organic lifestyle. Thank you for joining my channel. My name is Carina. I'm a wellness blogger. You've joined me on a day that I'm talking about the benefits of diffusers and candles and essential oil, and I was just mentioning my love for essential oil, my love for organic produce grew over time, and it became more important for me not only to buy a candle, but a candle that has been done organically, again because my skin started to react to a lot of things. I've shared a video on how our skin changes over time, which you will see pop up just above my head. And so as my skin started to change, it was imperative for me to ensure that the produce I was using, whether diffusers, whether essential oil, whether candles, that all these were actually organic and natural, just to help with my journey and also with my skin, and ensuring that everything I was using all around was good for my body. So there are a few shops that I started to look into. I've shared these on my blog. Neom is one of them. I really love Neom products. They have their distress essential oil, they have their distress candle, which I really like. They have so many different types of candles which help you to sleep well, help you with stress, help you to become a lot more relaxed after a very busy day or after a very busy week. And they have different products that you can buy from them, and they're also organic and they're natural and they smell fabulous. So what's there not to have? So yeah, Neom is my go-to place for candles and diffusers and essential oil. Another place I go to that I like to buy products from them is Now's Yard. They're in London. Again, they're also an organic shop where you buy very good products that are chemical free, and they can also make a huge difference. And Now's Yard is fabulous again, just like Neom. I like to have their products. Your house will smell wonderful when you have even their hand wash, and I use their hand wash, and I use their hand lotion, and it's just amazing. So I use their product. Sometimes my rose water I get from them, it's also very good. Their deodorants are quite good as well, again no chemicals in them, and so they're very natural. They also have bath oil, which also is not scented, it's natural products, and you can use those candles, and they're really good for you. So these two shops I definitely will recommend. So with Neom and Now's Yard, I'll also recommend Daily's Food. I got to know about them through a friend of mine who bought produce from them, and actually they are incredible. They're based in UK. They're a farm. Again, they're very organic in everything that they do. They are very eco-friendly. They're incredible company, and I buy my products from them as well. So with Daily's Food, one thing I like about them is you can find everything. Produce, if you're a meat lover, they have meat for you. They have everything. They can deliver those to you because they have a farm, so you can buy everything really. They also make things naturally from natural produce as well, like a handbag. You can see there's so many things that they have: cutleries, things for the kitchen, for the bathroom. They have almost everything that you would like. I buy candles from them. They have the fig candle, which I used, and I bought the small one, and I think it's 175 ml, and you wouldn't believe it, that candle lasted me 18 months to 2 years. Like, it's just incredible. I've used candles from so many different shops, and they say that it's this recommended hours, but actually before you know it, it burns. But with them, what they say is what it is. Their candles do not burn as quickly as the other shops that I've used, but actually I've also used Neom's candles. They do not burn as quickly, and also their fragrance do not burn as quickly. So their diffusers at home, they last you for at least 2 to 3 months. Most of my Neom diffusers stay for a very long time actually. So these are natural produce, but not only are they natural, they also last, and they are what they say on the tin. So for me, it's just an all-round good. So check them out, get to know more about them. Go to my blog, you read a bit more about them. They're not paying me for this video. First and foremost, this is not an ad. This is just my personal experience, and I just want to share with you places where I get my organic candles and diffusers and essential oils, and that have actually been very good for me. So everyone says, are candles, essential oils and diffusers good for you? They're not just aesthetics, they have good health benefits. I suffer from sinus, so in the winter I suffer most from it because my nose just gets blocked. I can't breathe, and it's so painful to breathe. And a lot of times when I turn on my diffuser with a bit of essential oil, and the fragrance just, you know, changes the aroma of the house, it really helps with my breathing. So that's one area that I see that essential oil and diffusers have been very helpful for me. They also help to distress you. So days when you're super stressed or really stressed out and you just want to relax and unwind, it's always nice to use your candles or essential oil, and it's a good way to distress. So like with Neom, they have a distressing candle, they have a revitalizing candle, and diffusers. They do have sprays for your pillows that can help you have a good night's sleep, and those things I find quite helpful, and it's always nice. And when you wake up in the morning, you feel rejuvenated, recharged. So that's me. I've shared with you how essential oil and diffusers and candles have helped me over the years in just giving me a more balanced life, a more richer life, a more fulfilled life, a more stress-free life. I hope that you find them very helpful. So yeah, so do look at my other videos where I've shared other tips that you may find helpful as well. Until next time, have a lovely week and stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye guys.